Good morning, everyone. In today's video, we will talk about Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank, or ADB, is an important international organization that affects India and other nations, especially in financial sector. Recently, Asian Development Bank was in news as it appointed Election Commissioner Ashok Lavasa as the Vice President VP for Private Sector Operation and Public Private Partnership. So, what is Asian Development Bank? Asian Development Bank is basically the regional development bank which was established on 19 December 1966, and its headquarters is in Manila, Philippines. It is the official United Nations observer. The bank admits the member of United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific and non-regional developed countries. Currently it has 68 members. If we talk about the voting right, it is closely modeled on the World Bank. That is, it has a similar weighted voting system where the votes are distributed in proportion with members' capital subscription. So the votes are distributed in proportion with members' capital subscription. If we talk about roles and function, so ADB defines itself as social development organization that is dedicated on reducing poverty in Asia and the Pacific through inclusive economic growth, environmental sustainable growth, regional integration. This is carried out through investment in form of loans, grant, information sharing in infrastructure, healthcare services, finance public administration system, helping nation prepare for impact of climate changes or better manage their natural resources as well as other areas. So the aim of ADB is social development by reducing, as we have already discussed, the aim is to reduce poverty in Asia Pacific with inclusive growth and sustainable growth and regional integration. It is carried out through an 80% investment in public sector. ADB invests in infrastructure, health, public administration system, helping nation to reduce the impact of climate change and to manage natural resources. If we talk about Asian Development Bank in India, the India started availing of National Development Bank's assistance in 1986. The aim is of Asian Development Bank is to support India in following field, that is industrial competitiveness, job creation, growth acceleration of low income states, environmental and climate change challenges. There are 6 sectors in India where we can see ADB presence. So there are basically 6 sectors जहाँ पे ADB की presence आपको इंडिया में मिलेंगे. Mainly जो है वो है transportation, energy, water and urban services, finance and public sector management, agriculture and natural resources, human development. Recent development की अगर हम बात करें तो ADB and India has signed a loan of $206 million to strengthen urban services in 5 Tamil Nadu cities. Asian Development Bank has listed its 10-year masala bound worth rupees 850 crore on global debt listing platform of India INX. Asian Development Bank have prepared a conceptual development plan on Vizag Chennai Industrial Corridor. Asian Development Bank have also offered to provide USD 4 million to member country to contain coronavirus outbreak. The Asian Development Bank will also provide 100 crore loan to hospital chain Medanta for healthcare services and medical equipment to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. The project will support the purchase of personal protective equipment, basic hygiene products, patient care equipment such as ventilator and beds. हमने एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक के बारे में ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस वीडियोस में हमने डिस्कस कर रखा है. इस वीडियो में हम सिर्फ रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट के बारे में ही डिस्कस करेंगे, इंडिया और नेशनल डेवलपमेंट बैंक. उससे पहले हमने देखा कि इंडिया में जो एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक है वो 6 सेक्टर्स में मेनली प्रेजेंट है, जो कि है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, एनर्जी, वाटर एंड अर्बन सर्विसेज, फाइनेंस एंड पब्लिक सेक्टर मैनेजमेंट, एग्रीकल्चर एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज एंड ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट. रिसेंटली जो है रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट, हम इस वीडियो में हम सिर्फ रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट की बात करेंगे. तो रिसेंटली इंडिया और एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक ने एक लोन को साइन किया गया है जो कि है वर्थ $206 million to strengthen the urban services in 5 तमिलनाडु cities. जो तमिलनाडु की 5 सिटीज़ है उसके अंदर जो अर्बन सर्विसेज है उसको स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए एक लोन साइन किया गया है एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक और इंडिया में. वो है टोटल $206 million का. कहाँ पे? 5 तमिलनाडु सिटीज़ के लिए. सेकेंड इज एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक has listed its 10-year masala bond worth ₹850 crore on global debt listing platform of India INX. जो एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक ने अपने 10 साल के जो मसाला बॉन्ड है जिसकी प्राइस है 850 करोड़, उसको इंडिया के ग्लोबल डेट लिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म INX पे लिस्ट किया है. और एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक हैज़ ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड ए कॉन्सेप्चुअल डेवलपमेंट प्लान फॉर विजाग चेन्नई डेवलपमेंट कॉरिडोर. इसने एक कॉन्सेप्चुअल डेवलपमेंट प्लान भी बनाया है किसके लिए? विजाग चेन्नई इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर के लिए, VCIC जिसको हम शॉर्ट में कहते हैं. एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक ने USD 4 मिलियन की हेल्प करने का भी एक प्रपोजल रखा है. जो भी मेंबर कंट्री कोरोना वायरस आउटब्रेक पे सफ़र कर रही है उनके लिए it has offered to provide USD 4 million. And the last is Asian Development Bank will provide 100 crore to hospital chain Medanta for healthcare services and medical equipment to fight COVID-19 pandemic. 100 करोड़ की हेल्प प्रोवाइड करेगा ये जो हमारी मेदांता जो हॉस्पिटल चेन है उसको. किसके लिए ये प्रोवाइड करेगा? हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज मिल सके और मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट मिल सके टू फाइट COVID-19 पैंडमिक. ऑल्सो दिस प्रोजेक्ट विल सपोर्ट दी परचेज ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट्स, बेसिक हाइजीन प्रोडक्ट्स, पेशेंट केयर इक्विपमेंट सच एज वेंटिलेटर एंड बेड. Also, as a response to COVID-19, the World Bank Group and Asian Development Bank is coordinating more than $15.4 million in wide-ranging lending programs in South Asia. So that's about the recent development between Asian Development Bank and India. Thank you for watching.